Good evening, fellow traders. It's time to do the recap. I I am still not I wasn't even gonna do an update. I wasn't gonna do an update, and I am literally forcing myself to do this. So excuse me if this is gonna come across a little forced, maybe. I don't know, but I'm mad. I'm still mad. Just we have serious issues with this market right now. I have serious personal issues with this market right now, and I just don't like it. To be quite frank, not a fan. And I am seriously debating about taking a whole week off or something. Man, was I frustrated today. My own fault. I know it's my own fault, but at least right now, I'm going to blame the market. Okay? We have you know how they say there's like 5 stages to grief, and one of the final stages in grief is acceptance? Well, we're not there yet. We are not there yet. We have not reached that stage yet, so I'm still in the mad stage. Disappointed stage, I guess. Sad stage, that would be even. I don't even know. Let's go over these accounts the best I can. Um It was ugly. I mean, there were some sprinkled in little good nuggets here and there, but the bad outweighed the good by a wide margin. So let's start. Let's just start. Um, First of all, yesterday I thought I passed 14 funded accounts. I thought I passed 1,450K accounts. Now, in hindsight, that might have been a blessing because I'm not sure. I'm not sure what would have happened with those accounts if I had those in funded accounts today. So I have basically the reason I hadn't passed these 6 accounts, I thought I had passed, but I actually didn't because I wasn't looking at the commissions. I wasn't looking at the balance after commissions. So anyway, we passed those last night. Those are fine. We will turn these into PAs tonight. Spend more money, which irritates me as well. But then moving to the Tradefy accounts, somehow these Tradefy accounts keep getting through this unscathed. I'm not sure how, but not going to complain. Tradefy, everything's fine. Again, we have a $10,500 payout locked in on these 3 Tradefy accounts. I have to wait till tomorrow night and then I can request. So that's, I guess, a positive. But then these 550K accounts. Now, these are the 550K accounts that I've had for forever. Almost 9 months now, almost 10 months. So, yeah, I just took a big L in the overnight session. I mean, I'm not that upset about these $1,200 loss. I mean, it is what it is. I set that as my daily loss limit and I hit it and we did walk away. Now, I have a risk management software that I'm going to be doing a video on, and this is actually I couldn't trade these 5 accounts if I needed to. So, if I could trade these 5 accounts this afternoon, I probably would have. So, let's all be thankful that I had that risk management software that I'm testing currently, and I really like it. I'm going to do a video on it, kind of a special intro video on it. I might do it tonight. Depends if I'm in a good mood or not. Right now, not in the best mood. But then these 5 not trade of eight, these 550K Apex accounts, this is what got me really, really upset. I was so mad. Again, just it was me being an idiot. I agree. I definitely was an idiot. And but in my defense, it was just I didn't like what I mean, I was up really small, and then we had this insane move higher, and I chased it. That was the first mistake. Chased this, took a big L, and it just kind of put me on the path where I shouldn't be going down. I was just full blown tilt mode. And I kept trading, and I kept battling. I was actually up. Um, I had for some reason I had a goal of $300. As you can see, these three 350K accounts, I did. I locked in my $300 on the first trade, no problem. And then I jumped over to do it on these 5 accounts. That's all I was looking for is $300. And then I'm out. I'm done. And I just could not do it. And I went from being down 1,000 to going back to only being down 200 to being down 700 to being down 100. And I got really, really close to break even a couple times, but every time I just got myself in a terrible trade. And the other issue is this is my number one issue. And there's any takeaway from today, it is how I need to get back to the core, get back to my roots. And if I reflect and if I'm being honest, ever since this insane volatility, um, I've kind of thrown out my strategy, so to speak, like that I really kind of the strategy that I believe in. And I've just kind of thrown it out that it doesn't, maybe to the sense where it doesn't work with this kind of volatility. So I've been just kind of trading a little bit more, just totally on intuition and just not really following my strategy, just kind of clicking buttons. And that I need to stop that. We need to stop, reset, back to the core, back to what I know works. And if a setup isn't there, then we sit on our hands. We don't just keep clicking buttons. Stop it. Ugh. Anyway, um, so anyway, this is a little bit of a rant. Just, it's just gonna be a rant. I'm still upset. But just to rub salt in the wound and just to really get me going. The final trade, I mean, I kept battling back and battling back, and anyway, I don't even have reasons for taking these trades. Let's just be honest. It was bad. But then I get trapped in a long right here. And this is what did it. But I mean, just for your own comical pleasure, take a real close look on where these accounts got liquidated. Just take a look at it. Right here. This is where they got liquidated. Right here at the 260s, and then we proceed to pump this 300 points higher. And I'm just done. I'm out. And just I can't I don't know. I'm dead serious. I was thinking about taking a week off. I was thinking about taking a week off, but I probably won't. I'll sleep on it. I'll take a nice nap. I can't mow the lawn because I just mowed the lawn yesterday, but I don't know. Maybe I'll do something. I right now I'm just in a really bad mood. And I'm so frustrated. But I'm trying to keep things in perspective. Let's take a moment and let's look at the positives. Okay? The positives are I passed no, I didn't. Take that back. We did get our take profit trader accounts to $1,500 in profit. Yay. Eval profit. Like that matters, you know? It doesn't really matter, but you know what? It's better than blowing more. I can assure you of that. Now, we haven't passed these yet, so there's no need to celebrate, but we step in the right direction. If we were looking for positives, that's a positive. The other positive is we didn't blow our 150Ks that are actually really important. We did. We blew 550Ks on the first day we had them. Thought we were past this stage. This is stuff that I did when I was 2 years ago, and I just started trading prop firms. This is stuff I would do. Blow an account as soon as you activate it into a funded account. So kind of thought we were past that stage, but here we are. Other positives. I think that's it. I can't think of any more. I'm still alive. I have a great family. There's a positive. You guys are still awesome. I think that's about all I got. But anyway, it's not as bad as I probably think it is right now. It's just frustrating, and need to learn not to do this. This is exactly what I have been trying not to do. Cycling through accounts. Um, I hate it. I absolutely hate when I do it, and we're gonna try not to make a habit of it, but it is what it is. We're gonna have to accept this because it happened, and then moving forward, we're gonna have some pretty strict risk parameters, and that's not gonna be able to be bypassed. So I'm looking forward to that, and I need to do a video and show you guys what I'm talking about. It's not Guardian Angel Trader, it's something better than that. So I'm gonna try to do a video on that tonight, so stay tuned. But anyway, I mean, this market's just it's actually insane. I keep saying that, but like let's look at this daily chart. Look at this. Like this is not normal. This is not, if this is the new normal, then you might as well take me to the nut house, like officially, because I will not survive. So probably just need to, calm down, take a deep breath, and realize that this is, this is an anomaly, and there's no need to freak out. I'm probably overreacting. I get it. But I have the right to do that. And then we'll be back tomorrow. Tomorrow it'll be a new day. All these accounts are going to be these five are going to magically disappear into the ether. And these five accounts are just going to be, the red will disappear. So all in all, it'll make me feel a lot better. But anyway, end of rant. Let's just not make a habit of this, please. Feel like we're heading down a very slippery slope. And I repeat, I do not want to get back into blowing accounts and all this. I don't have the mental capacity to go down this road again. We can't do it. So we got to stop it. Anyway, I hope you guys had a better day, man. Comment down below. Do this for me. Comment down below if you had a good day. If you had a bad day, just throw a heart down there somewhere, but we can, misery loves company. So, I mean, I'm sorry if you had a bad day. I'm very happy if you had a good day. Comment down below, let me know how your day was. But anyway, that's it. That's the recap. There, I did it. I did it. I forced myself to do the recap. Face the music as punishment. Also, if you want to tell me I told you so or whatever, right now is a good time. Go ahead. Let's see what happens. See if you survive it. Anyway, all right, everybody, take care and God bless.